clear, tether's free, and tracking that object. That tether looks good. You have about 2 meters.
Copy. Drifting clear.
I am flying like beautiful eagle, yes.
We see you, comrade.
Nice.
Drifting clear of the truss.
Yes, I am out. Very nice. Oh, look at this earth. Wow.
Tether looks good, my
Okay.
friend.
Woo, man, look at that view. I'm floating free, baby. Earth's all underneath me. You see this tether just dancing?
Copy, Orlan 3, you are go for translation.
Station, it is something else. The whole Earth just hanging blue and vast clouds like brush strokes. I can